manage your team because
Yeah.
I manage it, and my partner is the one who brings in the sales. He's
Right.
basically look the sales. So there is a word towards scripting available. So these are some of the tools which help us grow in a short period. So I would say
Hello everyone, welcome to another case study of ICE, and this time we have Bhakti Raj with us. She's a co-founder at Web Colors Digital, a web development and a social media marketing agency started by herself as Bhakti Raj and Kabir Zariwala. She was able to generate 3.7 lakhs in the last 45 days. Let's understand her secret, how she was able to achieve this and how you can replicate the process. Alright, hi Bhakti. Let's start with who you are, what you do, and what's your background. Please tell us.
Hello, everyone. My name is Bhakti. You all might know now because she has mentioned already. We have a web development and social media marketing agency.
All right.
It was by my partner along with me 7 to 8 years back. I come from a very much of a corporate job kind of a family where everyone was more keen on having a job profile. But I've always had that innovative spirit in me. So I even joined the field in my bank, which involves a lot of creativity and lot of innovation with regards to marketing, user experience, client experience, basically.
Okay.
So that's how we started this company. I joined him a little later. Initially, I was working दो नैया पे सवार जैसा हाल था.
Right, right.
But then I realized that खुद का business खुद का होता है, and there are so much more that you can do in your business. And of course, it's a journey. It's not a one-time process. So yeah, the learning has to go on. So with that spirit, we both ventured into this, and we have a web development and social media marketing agency wherein we help. Initially, we used to do with the products as well. We used to cater the clients who are into product, but now we have niched out after a deep understanding that niching it out is very important. So now we only cater to the people who are into service industry, and especially the coach. We help them sustain on social media by creating a content ideation, planning of their content strategically, and then help them be consistent on all the social media platform, because in today's time visibility is everything. Once on they are out of sight, there is always another person waiting for the opportunity.
Correct,
So
correct.
we maintain consistency.
All right. Now, Bhakti, as you mentioned that it's about a web development agency and you're catering to coaches, I would like to understand why this specific business and why coaches. So, can you give me more idea about why you chose this business?
So Vijeta, what happens? I come from a very humble family wherein the guidance was a bit of a challenge. And like I said, we almost our generation comes from a family wherein there are so many rules and regulations, still they persisted. So there are certain myths which doesn't work in this world or in this era, I would say. So only way you can tell somebody is if you have an authority or a proof and they would believe in you. So coaching is a business. अपने जमाने में हम लोग बोलते थे ना कि गुरु है तो उनकी बात माननी चाहिए. So learning should never stop. Hence coaches. And web development, of course, it is no bar to any boundaries. You can reach anywhere in the world. So web development was a core business. Then when the people used to start asking कि अभी website कर ली इसके बाद क्या? So then we went into becoming consistently available on the digital world. If you have a website, you need to show up again and again, and hence the social media. And again, I said the coaches is because guru life में होना बहुत ही जरूरी है. And there are so many fields, people are looking for so many answers in a life. There are so many aspects. So hence the coaches.
I think you framed it very well from the angle that yes, the teachers they need more visibility, and that's where you are helping them. Understood. Bhakti, you mentioned that initially you were catering to lot many before micro niching yourself, right? So that's what I want to understand. How has been your life before ICE and how it became after ICE?
So before ICE भी चल ही रहा था, ऐसा नहीं था, but वो चल रहा था. Like everyone wants to grow. It's not like leaps and bounds, but everyone wants to grow. At some point in time, I didn't want it to feel like stagnant. वो तो आजकल बहुत सारे जॉब में भी फील करते हैं, अगर सेम फीलिंग होनी होती तो जॉब में रह के ही ले लेते, बट आई डिडंट वांट टू बी इन दैट विशियस सर्कल ऑफ मैनेजिंग द फाइनेंस, लाइक 20 days के बाद क्या होगा, पे
Right.
चेक टू चेक. सो दिस ISEC has helped me to come out of that perception which we all have from my generation. Basically, I'm not too old, guys, but I'm just from 90s. But we have those family background wherein they used to live on a salary basis, एक fixed
Right.
income होनी चाहिए. Growth perspective में risk taking was quite challenging and fearful. So when I came across Himanshu's few statement, it was like a harsh, but it was mirror to me, and I wanted, like I said, you need a guru to tell you where you are wrong. Everybody will come and tell you where you are right, but showing you the reality is the most important thing. And I always had a spirit of growing, not being stagnant, because I've seen that life. So for me, there are certain strategies and tools which help me a lot. Basically, me to manage my team, because there is a whole lot of, I would say, a curriculum that how to manage your team, because
Yeah.
I manage it and my partner is the one who brings in the sales. He's
Right.
basically look the sales. So there is a word to word scripting available. So these are some of the tools which help us grow in a short period. So I would say पहले चल रहा था, अभी ऐसे थोड़ा उड़ने वाली फीलिंग है, कभी कभी आ जाती है और वो
Right.
बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है. So I don't
The
want to
sweet feeling. Yeah.
let that feeling go away. I want that feeling to be more consistent.
Right.
And
Right.
for that, taking steps is also important, where I am implementing
Correct.
with
Correct.
your guidance, especially. So yeah, it is working in this way.
You mentioned your little experience about Himanshu. That's my next question. How has been your overall experience? I would say, what was your first impression when you came to know about either Internet Coaching Empire or Himanshu Agarwal? Tell us something about that.
So I got to know from my previous Instagram coach via his lectures. Himanshu appeared on the last day of that program,
Okay.
and it was a little harsh, and he would agree on himself that he is rude. He would rather say मैं ऐसा ही हूँ.
Yeah.
तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि when you ask somebody who is known to you, they would be a little biased. They have seen your journey, so they might not be able to be completely honest that you are wrong, or this could be the difference that you can bring.
Right.
But certain things that he spoke with regards to business strategy and charging the people, being what do you call, I'm not getting the word. So उतना चार्ज करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. हम बार्गेन करने के चक्कर में, क्लाइंट को कंटिन्यू करने के चक्कर में, वी forget to charge the genuine amount.
Yeah.
And in the loss, or either we are having a little bit, what do you call, cut to cutness in our finances.
Correct.
So when he spoke, there were 2-3 statements which hit me so hard के इतना वैल्यू खुद का करना चाहिए जितना होता है. अगर तुम उतना नहीं कर सकते, that doesn't mean you are cut to cut. For him it is loss only, because we don't, at that point in time when we are not thinking of the other aspects, we feel के profit कर रहे हैं, but actually वो profit नहीं होता है. वो at the end of a day it subsides, which is wherein you are not making money. And facing that situation made me realize that I should think something a little bigger than I am at this point in time. Of course, at first you cannot just jump, but you will eventually know how much to charge, what is a market, and how to firstly charge and convince them to pay a little higher than the
Yes.
usual amount you're charging. So
Right.
for me, that was the real face off कि इतना चार्ज नहीं करना है भाई, मार्केट उससे बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी है और उतना आना चाहिए, तभी जाके आई विल बी इन द प्रॉफिट, आई विल बी इन द पीस एज अ बिजनेस ओनर.
Correct.
एंड सेकेंड वाज अबाउट मैनेजिंग द टीम. बेसिकली ऑल्सो अगेन वी कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली जहाँ सब कुछ आना चाहिए, तो हम सब खुद ही करने बैठ जाते हैं, देन थिंकिंग के हायर अ हेल्प फॉर इट. सो देयर इज एवरीथिंग वेयर यू कैन आउटसोर्स और टेक हेल्प, सो दैट योर लाइफ बिकम्स easier and you be at the position of bringing in more business than just
Right.
tangled into daily routine business work के email draft करो, send करो. ये सब के लिए help available है, and you need to understand which role should be outsourced and which role should be kept to you. So this is one of the biggest clarity I got. Initially first few weeks were quite challenging, because you're breaking that myth and the perceptions that has been long taught to you. But then eventually when I got first hand experience by myself implementing few word to word to my team team or my clients and I saw
Yeah.
it work. I was surprised, like काम कर रहा है तो मतलब
Yeah.
करता ही होगा, हाँ
Yeah.
काम करता ही
All
होगा.
right.
Then I had a wow, it was an amazing experience.
Okay. Bhakti, since you mentioned that coming from different family values to understanding the worth for which we have to charge, understanding how to delegate with the work within the team, how to communicate with the team, micro-niching, choosing coaches, there were different stages and so many changes you were going through. How does this change feels to you?
See, anyone changing is a little bit going out of your comfort zone. Being it like
Always.
सुबह के लिए उठना भी is challenging when you're not
Correct.
doing something and you start implementing which is not your daily routine. The
Right.
change feels little. I would not say weird or different, but I would say a little challenging. But when
Yeah.
you have a mind that if you want to grow, there is no other option, but this is the line that you have to cross. So
Correct.
you have to do it. And implementation is the most important, like that crossing the line and going out of it and experiencing it yourself कि ये वो कर सकता है कि नहीं कर सकता, and then you take it on you कि ये मेरे लिए काम नहीं करेगा, but अगर काम कर गया तो there is no losing. Anyways, you are at the place where you are always been there, but then trying it is the most important thing and experiencing it, because ये जो experience था ये मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही positive था.
Right.
तो I would say experiencing it and it has become a very positive. तो ये फिर वो बोलते हैं ना कि it has given me a proof.
Yeah.
See, again coming from marketing background, we all believe on the datas and facts and
Correct.
figures. So experience किया, positive हुआ, one up, let's follow the other things.
What is the
So
next time?
the
Yeah.
people who are watching, I would say you may feel कि बहुत ज्यादा है, ये बहुत कम है, ऐसे नहीं होता है, because we don't know those things exist. We ask those questions. In spite, just take one step of implementing it once and see if it is working for you, the best. If it is not working for you, it's still okay. You are still working and going on. But if it works, the happiness and वो feeling आती है, wow, I have done something, and then you will have your own success stories to share with
True.
you.
So picking the word wow, has there any wow moment in the course considering the tools and templates provided in the course?
Wow moment, not personally with me, but as I said, I have a partner
Yes.
who handles sales.
Correct.
So the script was bit एकदम straightforward. Client से ऐसे कैसे बात कर सकते हैं?
Right.
But then initially we couldn't experiment it or we couldn't do it because there is a tone, there is a intonation that is involved.
Yes.
It's not just a straight voice. I'm talking to you and I can just do it.
Right.
There is a little funness where there is required.
Yes.
So थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है, we implemented that on a deal and it was like the feeling was शायद नहीं होगा ही था, positive नहीं था, and then it happened. And once the client sent the money and we both were looking at each other, well, wow. And that was a wow factor because the sales script was implemented word to word, I would say, in his, of course, way,
Yeah.
Kabir's way, my
Yeah.
partner. But then we thought, then anything and everything in the digital area, what we offer to our clients, we want to sell, we try and articulate के ये product पे कैसे बैठेगा, ये script ये product पे कैसे बैठेगी. So this was a wow factor because initially we felt, I myself would have felt a little rude or a very straight, but then if it worked, like I'm like wow,
Yeah.
ये काम करता है, इसको replicate करो हर एक product के लिए जो
Correct.
भी offer कर के लिए.
Correct.
So
So if you have mastered sales, you have mastered 80% of it.
yeah, at last, I think in the whole world now, even if you offer a product or a services, sales is there. Like,
And we
how
should
will you want it?
simply
Not sell.
learn getting comfortable with it. And I think you have done
Yeah.
it. Okay. All right. All right. Now, Bhakti, coming to sales, you might be charging something, right? There won't be X charge you were maybe asking previously, and maybe you did something more now, which is Y now. So if you have started, charging high, what made you charge that high ticket? And how can anybody watching this video can also learn how to charge high ticket?
So high ticket का हमारा कैसा था, ये एक तो scarcity होती है कि पहले clients चले जाएंगे तो client, because there are so many options available. It's a digital
Right.
world. If I Google one thing, I'll find 10 of those things sitting in my area or the lane where I am sitting in the world.
Correct.
For that, I got to learn about the sales pipeline. Like अगर आपका pipeline, अगर leads आपका जो flow है वो consistent है और अगर आप एक अमाउंट चार्ज कर रहे हो, उसे आप जस्टिफाई कर भी रहे हो और क्लाइंट फिर भी मना कर रहा है, देन आई वुड से कि यू कैन टेक योर कॉल. आई वुड प्रिफर टू नॉट गो एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम. इनिशियली आई वाजंट लाइक दैट. आई एम लाइक बार्गेन कर लो, कम में करके देंगे. वो कम में करके देने वाली जो फीलिंग है ना, वो इतनी ज्यादा हो गई थी और इतने क्लाइंट्स हो गए थे, फिर वो प्रोडक्टिविटी पे इम्पैक्ट करता था. एंड अगेन कमिंग फ्रॉम माई एरा, आर एरा, कैसा रहता है विजेता के इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलता है का फंडा नहीं है. वी आर इंडियंस, वी विल से अरे ये भी थोड़ा दे दो. सर्विस इंडस्ट्री है, सो द प्राइसिंग्स आर नॉट के 1 पेन इज इक्वल टू 10 रुपीज. ऐसा फिक्स नहीं है ना. सर्विस है. एक क्रिएटिव का प्राइस वुड डिफर, एक वीडियो एडिटिंग, वन वेबसाइट का प्राइस वुड डिफर. तो ये परसेप्शन के साथ क्लाइंट आता है कि इतना दिया ना, थोड़ा और दे दो, थोड़ा और दे दो. तो कम चार्ज करने के चक्कर में वी यूज टू डिलीवर अ लिटिल मोर एंड देन इट वेंट अहेड. सो आई रियलाइज if your sales pipeline is good and it's very healthy, then you can charge the amount which you feel is genuine for you. Because again, I said it's a service industry. Prices are not fixed. You should be able to value your own services with your own guesswork कि ये मैं इतना कर सकता हूँ. करेक्ट. वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया और वो बहुत ही जरूरी था. एंड ऑल्सो आई रियलाइज के कभी कभी ओवर डिलीवर कर देना, अगर प्राइस हाई भी है तो वो अच्छा लगता है, वो दिल से आता है और वो प्रोडक्टिविटी क्लाइंट अप्रिशिएट्स एट पार. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. तो आई वुड से इफ यू आर चार्जिंग हाई, फर्स्टली अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट. अंडरस्टैंड कि वो कितना एक्स अभी दे रहा है. अंडरस्टैंड द कॉस्टिंग ऑफ योर बिजनेस एंड देन structure the pricing in such a way. And if you are having that bargain factor, you can have a little higher and then reduce. Correct. But from my point of view, I am one of those, because I don't, you might know me well. I don't come from a sales background. मेरा कैसा है, मेरा एक फाइनल प्राइस आता है, लेना है तो लो वरना नहीं लो. पहले भी ऐसे था, अभी भी वैसा है. My partner's way is a little different, wherein he can work on the higher prices and he'll bring it to the client where he wants him to stop. So he will charge a little high. So we understood this positioning of the cost of our services, and then we got this confidence. And once I said, when there was a wow moment, there was no looking back. For almost all the products, we started implementing this sales script, and it has worked well so far.
I think one line which you said very well, which I would like to reiterate for the audience, is that the confidence you have for charging what you're charging is basically directly proportional to the pipeline of leads you have. If you have that, you'll have the courage to definitely either say yes to the person or no to the person.
No to the person. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So definitely a well said thing.
So having a sales pipeline which is a very healthy is the most important thing. बिकॉज 2-4 क्लाइंट के ऊपर तो कोई भी नहीं डिपेंडेंट रह सकता. आई वुड गिव यू एन एग्जांपल कि आज के जमाने में एफएमसीजी प्रोडक्ट्स है, तो 100 खरीदार है तो वो लोग 1 करोड़ की टारगेट करते हैं, तो वो 1 करोड़ जाते हैं. बट हम वो 2-4 के बीच में ही रह जाएंगे ना, तो वो कभी ग्रो नहीं हो पाएंगे. तो उससे बेटर है कि बड़ा सोचो. एटलीस्ट 10% ऑफ व्हाट यू आर हैविंग राइट नाउ, इफ यू ट्राई एंड थिंक, तो उस हिसाब से फिर लीड रेशियो भी वर्क करेगा कि नॉट एवरी लीड इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड लीड. सो यू should have a good and a healthy leads coming in for you. Right. So that is what we learned कि leads आ रही है तो फिर कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
And gives you a lot of freedom also.
Yes, absolutely.
I have the right to either say yes or no here. It's not just the client I'm waiting for. कि client ही yes or no नहीं बोलेगा. I can also say.
Even we have the freedom.
Right. Understood. Understood. Bhakti, I think you have set up the system now. You must be working on something. You are already getting clients now. What is that thing you are working on currently?
Currently, I would still say few of my funnels. So ours was a service-based business with your help, and I would say challenging pressure. We have created a product as well. That is a digital product, a course. So see, I come from a background wherein कुछ ready-made है जो आता है वो बेच सकते हैं.
Right.
Creating of our own, which is a course, was a bit challenging, but we have achieved that, and we are working on that particular funnel. Because what was happening here, your leads were सामने से आ रहे थे, यहाँ पे ये साइड पे थोड़ा पुशी सेल हो जाता है. तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट डायरेक्ट सेल्स फनल, देन गोइंग फॉर द लीड्स एंड फॉलोइंग अप विद देम. सो करंटली कंसंट्रेशन उस पे है कि डायरेक्ट सेल्स कैसे से हो सकता है
All right.
विदाउट मच इन्वॉल्वमेंट और मच इंटरवेंशन ऐसा.
All right. Now, coming back to the service thing you mentioned, in our ICE community, we not only talk about the results with which you have, generated for yourself. We also want to understand how you were able to help your customers, your clients, maybe coming for web development or something else. So, what kind of results they were getting? Tell something about it.
When Himanshu said के काम बोलना चाहिए, he gives a
Correct.
guarantee that I give a 100% refund guarantee if it doesn't work for you.
Okay.
So both I would say two of my clients जो दो client है वो service based industry में, purely service based. There is nothing, not even a single thing that they are giving in return or as a product or as a what do you call additional some goodies or merchandise or anything. They are completely उनका सिखाने का जो है वो पूरा उनके knowledge और उनके skill base है. So when you are not giving anything coming from a Indian background, it becomes very challenging कि वो coach तो ये free में दे रहा है, वो coach तो ये free में दे रहा है. So I told them this learning was passed from Himanshu to them through me in a way that if you can give a guarantee and if you can give them a results,
Correct.
then they will stick to you. So likewise, one of my client is taking 10 hours of sessions in a day since last 2 months.
Whoa.
She's a graphologist.
Okay.
She has recently been to Paris with her two daughters
Okay.
and she's very happy. She's like, this, I got a confidence that if I can convince them on the basis of only my work and services, and she guarantees this के अगर आपको benefit नहीं हुआ तो I will refund, and on that basis now she is also converting more clients.
Amazing.
And one of my client success story is she got to work with a Paytm and one of the bank which I cannot disclose. So she used to get such assignments but not at the bigger level, but because of her consistent appearance on the social media, got noticed. And one assignment she did was the Paytm assignment. She's a communication and a career coach, career guidance coach. The other one also got a very good boost with regards to productivity into their internal environment, but the success story not be come out because of their regulations.
Understood.
So, but yeah, Paytm was very happy with her services and she would get another batch in a coming quarter. So every quarter now she will have a session. So again, she was like, you just try first. If you see the productivity or the results coming up, then we can continue with this collaboration and we can see how it works. So this one thing I learned that आप चार्ज कर लो, कितना भी चाहे आप ज्यादा चार्ज करना है कर लो, बट उस हिसाब से रिजल्ट देना बहुत ही जरूरी है.
Correct.
Because everyone's money is very valuable to them.
True.
ऐसा नहीं अपना पैसा ही ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल है, किसी का
True.
नहीं है. So if you have that mindset कि उनका भी penny उतना ही valuable है and I have to deliver that, that is very beautiful thing, and that's how you will get a reference as well. If you are not running any leads or ads or anything, that is how you will get an organic reference, and that will be a very strong reference because
Correct.
people who have referred you would have got the result and hence they are referring you. So that is how my client is working now.
So you mentioned two things here. The one is the delivery and the results. Now
Yes.
here I have a question. Now there are so many people on the internet claiming that they can bring you some results. How did ICE stand out here?
Again, it goes back to Himanshu showing few of their past records and data, and also when he taught the script, I'm talking about Himanshu, I was thinking from a perspective मैं इसका product खरीदूंगी ही नहीं. मतलब I came from a perception के let me be that so rigid and so rude customer and see if he can still sell me, and he could sell me. Like he was not selling, but he could sell me. I got convinced at 2-3 points. So that was a assurance that if he can sell to a एकदम से rigid और जो client के perceptions होते हैं कि देना ही नहीं है, बहुत सारे competitions है, जो सस्ता है उसको देना है. So what are the objection handling skills that he has? So वो actual जब भी वो explain कर रहे थे कोर्स के बारे में, वो मैंने experience किया being a client on the other side and other side of a table, being a rude client as well के मतलब not rude but I would say a very stern client के मैं नहीं दूंगी इसको पैसे, किसी और को ही दूंगी. And I felt like कि अगर इसने ये मुझे prove कर दिया ना, because वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात थी कि एक ही जगह पे एक ही रूफ के अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें मिलना, वरना इफ यू हैव अ मल्टीपल कोचेस फॉर मल्टीपल एस्पेक्ट्स, लाइक फिटनेस के लिए आई वुड हैव अ डिफरेंट, वी कैन नॉट हैव वन कोच, और मे बी सोशल मीडिया के लिए there is a different person, but here when you are building a business, so I wanted all the tools, all the strategies to
Correct.
come to me under one roof, and that he could deliver with the sales objection handling as well, and that was live. So I got that belief that agar live hai, so obviously with all those recorded sessions one to one with you, because we come not every week for me, I understand that it has been a little delay, but I understand that there are people who has come every week to their coaches,
Yes.
eaten up their head, and they have seen a drastic results.
Yeah.
So this is what got me into it, that hand holding है, ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ सिखा दिया और करो अभी.
Correct.
There is a accountability, there is a follow up as well, and every time if there are minor things, वो एकदम बोलते हैं ना, ड्रिल किया जाता है कि this is the thing you have to do, because it happens, the world है, deviation बहुत सारा हो जाता है. So there is always somebody who is not just hand holding you but making you empowered as well by telling you so many small things which we can implement in our daily life and be that independent person.
Right.
So I say everything under one roof with a very good support on a timely basis has got me with ISEC.
Got it. Got it. Now, Bhakti, there will be few people in your batch also who are looking for similar results like you. What is your advice to the people who are already there in your batch?
So I would say implementation is the most important thing. What you learn, if you keep on learning and learning, without implementation, there won't be results.
Correct.
And not just implementation, if there are any new things coming your way, because it is a digital world, it keeps changing every now and then.
Yes.
So including those changes as well is very important, along with the implementation of what is being taught.
Yeah.
And अगर result नहीं आया तो of course there are changes can be done, but अगर implement ही नहीं करेंगे तो result नहीं आएगा. So implementation and taking steps is the most important thing, I would say, because I know I have delayed few months earlier. Along with ISEX, I had another thing which was going on that was personal, you understood. So there I got a little laid back. Results आने में time लगा, but
Yeah.
I would guide I would suggest every people who can implement, do not delay. ये सीखा, कल जाके implement करो, कल नहीं 2 दिन बाद जाके implement करो, and then
Right.
follow up क्या result आ रहा है.
Correct.
So implementation is the baseline.
The
for
key.
me.
Got it.
Yeah.
Last question. What is your recommendation to anybody who's watching this video who are not part of ISEX? What is your recommendation to these people?
I would say you can have a multiple coaches for a different aspects of life, but
Yeah.
when it comes to business, it is very important that you get the tools, the strategies, और एक business की जो समझ होती है. बेसिकली पुराने जमाने के लोग बोलते थे कि एक बिजनेस करने का तरीका होता है, अगर वो सीखना है, regardless if you are into product industry or a service based industry, I would definitely say Himanshu is the person, because he has done both. He has ventured into the products, his products are also doing great. He has catered to the service industry, and he himself is, I would say, जीता जागता example है यार, कि वो खुद ही service cater करते हैं. So if you are looking for a one stop solution for a business need, definitely you should come, because 10 जगह से business सीखना is not possible.
Right.
एक से सीख, it is possible because वो एक से ही लेके implement करना है, so that becomes very smooth. So I would say कि अगर business grow करना है, so definitely join ISEC, because everything is under one.
Thank you so much, Bhakti. I think it has been a wonderful conversation here. So yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for the words of wisdom. And I hope you and Kabir together, may you grow an empire of crores, sign big deals, all international clients. So yeah, thank you so much for your time, Bhakti.
Welcome.
अगर ये इस टाइप की वीडियो पसंद है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब मत करो. Click on my channel, see all the videos. If you feel like there are videos which can actually help you, then so click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the notifications.